This hair mask was gifted to me by the brand and I'm excited to try it out. This is the H2R hair mask and it's a leave-in hair mask and it couldn't be any simpler to use. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna apply a small amount to my damp hair. Now my hair is not soaking wet, but it is definitely not dry. I just kind of towel dried it when I got out of the shower. So the neat thing about this mask is you just apply it to the hair. You're gonna leave it in for about 3 minutes, and then you're gonna continue with your normal styling. You do not have to rinse this out, which actually makes it really convenient. The brand does note that this mask adds hydration, so it can be helpful if your ends feel rough or porous, or just prone to breaking. I would probably focus most of the product through mid-lengths and ends, especially on the areas that feel driest for your hair. I'm just gonna brush it through a little bit, make sure I've got all my ends coated. The brand also says it can help reduce split ends and support fuller looking hair. I think the biggest benefit is really helping reduce breakage, because when your hair is stronger and breaking less, it can look healthier and retain more length. I'm gonna air dry my hair and then I will come back and let you know my final thoughts. All right guys, my hair has been air drying for a few hours. And you can see it is looking pretty good. So this is the mask that I use. It's the H2R, which stands for Hair to Renew. And this is a mask that, remember, I put on after my shower on damp hair, and I left it on for 3 minutes, and then I styled everything as usual. So I think the results speak for themselves. I'm loving the volume. I'm loving the curls and the definition. So if you're looking for a product, a hair mask to add to your routine, this would be a good one to try out.